Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're a new subscriber, you're welcome to my channel. Thank you for joining I hope you enjoy your stay here. And if you are seeing my face for the first time, my name is Miriam and you're welcome to my channel. So guys, in today's video I'll be sharing with you the 3 top cream I used on my skin. I used some and I'm still using some of it. So the 3 top cream I used on my skin to get this beautiful skin. Guys, I get compliments almost every single day about my skin color. You can see my knuckle. Guys. Everything is looking good. Guys, I'm going to be sharing the 3 top cream I use. If this sounds like a video you're interested in, please keep on watching and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's dive into the video, okay? The first cream is this one. Guys, this is Oriflame Loving Care. Guys, this is Oriflame Loving Care body lotion with natural almond milk. Guys, this is dermatologically tested. This cream is dermatologically tested. Guys, I always look out for cream that are recommended by a dermatologist. Guys, this cream is one of it. This cream, I used it about 6 to 7 months, and guys, this cream is good. When I tell you that this cream is good, this cream is actually very, very good. It was good. It didn't give me knuckles. It didn't give me nothing. I did not react to it. It did not give me anything, but I was not seeing exactly what I needed. Like, the only side effect of this cream, guys, is vein. It was bringing out vein in my leg. It was bringing out green vein, which I do not like. But anything aside from that, this cream does wonders for me. This cream was actually good when I was using it. I stopped using it I used this cream just for 7 months and I stopped because of the green vein. But apart from that, the cream is actually good. It did not give me knuckle. It did not bleach my skin. It did not give me I was not reacting to it. Nothing of that nature was wrong with this cream. And guys, you know Oriflame has so many other cream. You guys might want to try out this one or go for other options, but I'm sure Oriflame has so many other body creams. This one is body lotion with natural almond milk. You can try another one. This one has almond milk. You can try another one without almond milk or any other one, because they have so many options, guys, so many options. But this is the one I used. It was good. I loved the cream when I was using it. The only complaint is the green vein. Guys, if you're a fair lady watching me, you understand what I'm saying. The green veins that comes out of your hand, not stretch mark. This cream did not give me stretch mark. Guys, I'm not talking about stretch mark. This cream did not give me any single stretch mark. What I'm talking about is the green vein at the back of your leg, your hand. Do you get? If you're a fair lady, you understand what I'm saying here. The green vein, this cream gave me green vein. That's why I discontinued using this cream. But anything aside from that, I'll recommend. If you don't have green vein, or if cream doesn't give you green vein, I think you should go for this cream. It's actually good. This is my first review on the top cream I used to get this skin tone. Let's move to the second. Guys, the second cream on my list is this. Ta-da! Guys, this is Dr. T's body lotion. Simple, honest, effective moisture. Guys, you all know this cream now. This cream does wonders. This is 24 hours moisture. Guys, this body lotion is a moisturizer. It keeps your skin. It prevents your skin from getting dry. You can never have a dry skin while using this cream. Guys, this cream has cocoa butter, shea butter, and vitamin E. Can you imagine? This cream has these 3 things I mentioned. It has cocoa butter, it has shea butter, and it also has vitamin E. Guys, this cream is sold for, I think, 8,000 naira. I don't know the current price, but I think it's 7,000, 8,000 naira. Guys, this cream, I didn't use it for long. I didn't use this cream for long because of the scent. I have a very sensitive skin, so I don't like, or rather my skin doesn't like anything that is scented. Vitamin C serum, face cream, body lotion, face cleanser, anything that is scented, guys, my skin reacts to it. So this cream is wonderful, but I didn't use it for long because of it's scented. Guys, this cream smells so nice. So guys, this cream smells so nice. I wish I was not reacting to anything that is scented. This would have been my go-to cream, but guys, since I'm reacting to it, I don't think I will continue. I have discontinued already. Guys, this cream is good. For fair skin is good, for dark skin is good, for caramel skin this cream does wonders. Guys, this cream I used it about 3 to 4 months. Is it up to that? I think it's 3 to 4 months. I used this cream about 3 to 4 months and I discontinued. It did not do anything to me, guys. It did not give me stretch mark. It did not give me green veil like the other one. It did not also give me knuckles. Guys, I don't have knuckles. It did not also give me knuckle. Nothing at all. This cream was okay, very, very good. Just that my skin doesn't like anything scented on my skin. Guys, I don't spray perfume on my skin. I spray it on my clothes because I will react. Guys, I will react to it. So anything scented, my skin doesn't like it. My skin doesn't like anything scented, so that's why I discontinued with this cream. This cream also has essential oils. Guys, I just checked my camera and noticed that this video was recording halfway. My face was not showing full. So like I was saying, this cream did not give me green vein. It did not give me stretch mark. It did not give me knuckles. I did not react to it. The only reaction I had was because of the scent. The cream is scented, guys, because of the guys, I wish you guys can smell this. That's the only reaction I had, because it was scented. If not, I would have been using this cream right now, but because of the scent, I had to discontinue. Guys, this cream, you can get it in a supermarket. This cream and this other one I talked about, this one, you can get it in a supermarket. You can get it in a pharmacy/supermarket. Those pharmacies that have pharmacy and the supermarket, you can get it there. You can get it in spa. You can get it in beauty shops, beauty cosmetic shops. Guys, you can get this cream in those places. Please make sure you are getting the original, so you will not come back here to tell me that the cream did not work. Make sure you are getting the original. Don't go and get this thing in aboki shops. Don't go to aboki shop and buy the expired one or buy the fake product. When buying this thing, I just told you guys the price. This one, I think this price is 9,000, 10,000, I think. Then this one is 7,500. I'm sure of this one. This one's 7,500, 8,000. This one I'm not sure because it has been long I used this cream. I told you guys I used it for 7 months, so I don't remember the exact price, but this one I'm very sure this one should be 7,500, 8,000 in a pharmacy. Guys, please buy the original cream. Get the original cream. Let's move to the third cream. And guys, this cream is not, this Dr. Tease doesn't only have body lotion. It has body scrub. It has vitamin C serum. It has vitamin C face cream. It also has face cream. It has what again? I think it has this cream, 2 version, the dark skin and the light skin. This one is for light skin. Then it has dark skin. That guys, I can't talk. It has dark skin lotion. So this one is for fair skin, because you can see now the rose citrus, essential oil, you know, these ones are for light skin, but it doesn't stop dark caramel skin from using it. Guys, it doesn't stop caramel skin from using it. Guys, I so much love this cream. As you can see, I'm spending so much time on this cream because I love this cream. If not for the fact that it's scented, this would have been my go-to cream. So let's move to the third cream. Okay, so guys, the third cream on my list is this one, guys. This is Eucerin, guys. This cream is for dry skin, guys. This one is daily hydration lotion, hydrates all day with a gentle formula, guys. You can see it, guys. This cream has no single scent, guys. This cream has no single scent, and this is the cream I've been using ever since I stopped these two. This one is the one I've been using, guys. I get compliments about my skin almost every day. When I post a picture, I get compliments. When I go out to get something, I get compliments. When I make videos and post on YouTube, you guys compliment my skin, guys. This is the cream I'm using. I've been using other ones. Those ones I just mentioned worked, but this one is one I'm currently using. I don't know if I'm going to change. I don't know if I'm going to see anything that will make me change, like green veins, stretch marks, knuckles, but for now I haven't seen. So this is the one I'm using. This cream is dermatologist recommended. Let me show you guys. This is dermatological skincare, and when you get on the back, you see dermatologist recommend brand. Guys, this cream is highly recommended by a dermatologist. Guys, I think you should just go for creams. Leave all this skincare, just go for cream. I think if you are looking forward to getting a cream, just go for a good cream that will give you what you want. There's no point mixing cream, buying organic that you are not even sure if it's actually organic. Do you get? So this cream, this one, and this one, I highly recommend these three creams, guys. This one I don't have issues with it, just that it's giving me green vein. This one, no single issue. This Dr. T's, because it has scent, and my skin is very sensitive, so I don't want anything scented. That's why I'm not using this cream no more. But this one doesn't have scent. This one is a scent free. They wrote it here, fragrance free. Yes, they wrote it here, fragrance free. It doesn't have any fragrance, and 24 hours daily dry hydration. You hydrated when using this cream. Hydrates all day with a gentle formula. Guys, this cream doesn't only have this daily hydration, it has so many other ones. It has skin repair, it has damaged skin, it has cream for blemishes, it has skin for repair, it has skin for I'm trying to remember. This cream has everything. If you go to a cosmetic store, I'm sure you're going to see this cream, and you see other lotion like this Eucerin, but it has so many other different names written here. Some have daily hydration, some have bumpy skin, some have repair damages, some have skin for blemishes, some have so many things. So just check the one you want and buy it. This is the one I got. This cream is, the price of this cream is 12,500 is the price of this cream. I bought this cream in a supermarket. You should go buy it, guys. Please buy the original of this cream. I don't know how you know the original, but just go to a good shop and buy original body cream, so you know where what is doing is coming from. If it's from the cream, you know. If it's from where you bought it, you know. So guys, this is my third cream. Let me show you the second of this cream. I bought it just to show you guys for this purpose of this video, but I'm sure we're going to use it. Guys, if you are watching up to now and you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please just subscribe to my channel, please. Guys, subscribe now, okay? Subscribe so you'll be getting tips on body lotion, soaps, scrub, face cream, vitamin C serum you should purchase, body lotion you should invest in. Guys, this is the second one. This one is daily hydration. This one is also daily hydration, but guys, this one has sunscreen. This, you can see it's SPF 15. There is another daily hydration with SPF 30. There's another daily hydration with SPF 40 and even 60. So this cream, just get anyone you want. You mustn't buy this one I'm showing you guys. You mustn't buy this one. You can just get anyone that you want and try out. but this one is 2-in-1. You can see it is a moisturizer plus sunscreen, fragrance free. Their product doesn't have fragrance. That is why I love this Eucerin. Their product doesn't have fragrance. It's always fragrance free. For this one, guys, I don't know about this one, but I just bought it to show you guys. And this one is one I'm sure of. This one is daily hydration lotion. Guys, buy any of these creams and thank me later. Buy any of these cream and thank me later. If you don't have issues with green veins, you should get this one. This one actually works, guys. This one works. The only problem is the green vein. Then this one I told you guys already. Then this one. So guys, I think I will insert a picture of when I was using this cream, then insert a picture of when I used this one, then insert a picture of this one. Currently, guys, I don't even need to insert a picture of this one. This is my skin here. This is one I use currently. Yeah, this is my honest review about these 3 body cream. If you want me to review any other thing, soap, body soaps you can use, guys, please, I don't use these creams on my face. Please, I don't use them on my face, just on my body. If you want me to review any other thing like body scrub, face cream, vitamin C serum, any other thing at all, just let me know in the comment section and I will sure do that for you guys. So here, I think I'll be ending this video here. I've said everything I need to be said. Guys, these creams are so nice. These creams are so nice, guys. These creams does wonders for me. I think you should go get it if you are looking forward to getting a nice cream. Yeah, so guys, we've come to the end of this video. Yeah, you guys know the drill now. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, give me a huge thumbs up, guys. Subscribe to my channel, share this video, guys. If I get a good engagement on this video, I'm sure going to do my honest review about body soaps to use, scrub, face cream, all those good stuff. I'm sure going to do it. So guys, please engage in this video, leave some comment, leave as many comments as you want. I'm giving you the permission to do that. Leave as many comments as you want, guys. Give me a thumbs up, share this video, subscribe if you are subscribed already. Thank you for joining my family. And yeah, guys, I'll be ending this video here. I hope you're going to try any of these, but I don't know why I keep touching this cream. This cream is my favorite. This cream is my favorite, guys. This is my favorite cream, just that it's scented. It has fragrance. This is my... Let me sniff this one more time. Yeah, so I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys. Bye.